Alright, so what I'm going to do here is automate a SQL restore. So I'm protecting some SQL databases here in this protection group, and one of which is this, MS SQL Server Cohesity DB, and it's being backed up off of W2016 T2. I'm going to restore it on the W2016 T4. So let's go back. Let's go over there real quick, and I'm going to just delete this guy here. Okay, and then what I'll do is I've got some PowerShell scripts for this. So let's search for GitHub Cohesity, and there's our GitHub page, and underneath there is my page, B. Seltz Cohesity. I'm Brian Seltzer. And I have a scripts repository and SQL scripts. So let's get a couple scripts. Backup now script, and scroll down in the README. Here's some download commands for PowerShell. So I'm just going to copy this to my clipboard, and let's go to PowerShell and oops. Let's paste those in here, and then so there. Now I have the backup now script plus the Cohesity API function library. And let's go back and get the restore script, restore SQL. Once again, copy these commands. Okay. So now I've got both backup and restore scripts. And so if I want to perform a restore, I'll say, let's say restore SQL BIP. That's the name of my my Cohesity cluster, VE3. Username. Source server is W2016 T2.seltzer.net. Source database is Cohesity DB. Target server is W2016 T4.seltzer.net. And I'm going to say roll me to the latest point in time. I can say overwrite, although we already deleted it once. And I'm going to stick the MDF files in SQL data. Okay. And if we go and look at our recoveries, you'll see that database restore running. Okay. And as you can see here, source server W2016 T2, target server T4. Latest point in time was the log backup just occurred just a few minutes ago. And it should not take long. Okay, so that's done. So if we go back to the target server and hit refresh, there it is. Okay, so anytime we want to do that, let's do that one more time. But this time I want to do it from a command prompt. From outside of PowerShell. So essentially what you do is you say PowerShell .exe -command and C:/scripts/ PowerShell / restore SQL PS1 pip VE3 username admin source server W2016 T2.seltzer.net source DB Cohesity DB target server W2016 T4.seltzer.net overwrite latest. Oops. What did I do wrong? Oh, sorry. SQL test. Oh, sorry. MDF folder. SQL data. Got that wrong. There we go. Okay, so that is the command we need. Let me just copy that. Throw in the text file. Fix it. Oh, see, I got a carriage return in there. Thanks, PowerShell. Okay, so there's my command. And then, so what I'm going to do is, let's bring up Task Scheduler, Windows Task Scheduler. And create a task. Call it nightly restore. Whatever. Triggers. Click new. Daily. Every day. At whatever we'll call it. 5:50. Whatever. And you know, if I wanted to do this more frequently, I could say repeat task every hours, minutes, whatever. But it's just once a day is fine for this. Actions. I'm going to say new and start a program. It's PowerShell.exe. I could also put this in a wrapper script if I wanted to, but and then just everything else. And start in C:\/ scripts PowerShell SQL test. Okay, and then run whether the user's logged in or not. Click OK. It's going to prompt me for my password. And good to go. So now if I just run this now, theoretically, there it is running. So that's basically all you need to do. You know, if you have any trouble implementing something like this, feel free to reach out to your account team, your SE, and he'll reach out to me and I'll give you a hand. All right, thanks a lot.